How is it, and welcome back to another video in this YouTube channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Dixon. So if you don't mind, make sure you hit that subscribe button, but also make sure you turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I create videos, you get to receive notifications. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for tuning in again to this channel. So in our today's video, we want to talk about Dr. Barroso Tay Grin and also Tannah, Mr. Broken English. So if this is what you want to watch, then stick around and we'll continue the video soon after this intro. Just as I said, we just want to talk about the charity work that Dr. Namadingo, Barroso, Tay Grin and Tannah, Mr. Broken English has recently done in Dowa. The money that they used to do this charity work, it wasn't theirs. It's FDH Bank that helped in collaboration with K Motors. Guys, you know, we have a lot of artists in Malawi. Of course, we have two different types of artists, those that helps and those that doesn't help. They just want, when the money comes, they just want to eat on their own. And inside those people that helps, we also have two types of people that when they help, they make sure that everyone knows about it. And we have some that they help but they don't want to showcase on social media. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying for Namadingo to showcase the charity work that he's doing is something that is bad. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just classifying based on what I see. People, some they like showcasing and some they just keep it on their own. So guys, if you have to be honest, like the doc is doing some good things. If we talk about charity work and stuff, he's really helping. Yeah, I think this is not the first work that he's been doing. I think he started last year doing a lot of charity work that I can't even mention them, and this is one of the reasons, if you do follow him, this is one of the reasons why he's been recognized in SADC and to be awarded with a doctorate for all the charity work and development activities that he's been doing.
But do you want to go to school? You want? On Monday you can also go to school. Yeah? I'll come on Monday to take you to school. I'll even take your shoe size so I bring shoes for both of you.
Just want to give a big shout out to all the people that also joined him. Of course, I can't mention each and every one of them, but I really appreciate, guys. If people are doing things that you yourself you can't manage to do, it's good to congratulate them and wish them the best. So if you watch the video, you're going to see that, guys, people are really struggling in the villages, and it's not only in the refugee but also in the villages and all the places out there. There are a lot of poor people that are struggling.
TayGrin, talk to us.
Hello.
We're live on Facebook.
We're live on Facebook. We're giving away nice shoes today, man. We're in Zaleka. How's everybody doing? Make sure you got your mask on.
If you are watching me right now, I just want to ask you, if there's someone just close nearby you, you see someone that is struggling, if you have something that you kind of maybe you're not using, or you have food that you just bought but you no longer enjoy, take a step and get someone just to bless them with that food. If you have clothes that you don't wear, take some of those things and give them out, because sometimes it really doesn't make sense for you to be keeping your clothes in the wardrobe or keeping your food in the fridge and get spoiled when there's someone out there who is struggling. Guys, it's gonna be good if we do help each other. You know, people just don't know, but God always bless us for a reason. He always bless us for a reason so that we can also bless other people. So don't kind of be stingy if God has blessed you with something that maybe you don't enjoy it, or you used to enjoy but you no longer enjoy it. Make sure you give it out to the people that are struggling. So if you did watch the video, you're going to notice that there were a lot of kids. I think I'm gonna play it so that guys, you all can watch. People are really struggling, and you see these shoes that these guys were giving out. I really can't tell the joy that the kids, but also the families had to receive this kind of gift. The other thing I just want to urge Malawian celebrities, but also all those good people from Malawi, if you got an ambassadorship somewhere, please don't just target people that are on social media, just maybe to be praised on social media. No, go out to the villages also and help people that are in need. Yeah, so guys, this is all that I had for you. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a like, but also if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do subscribe, but also make sure you turn on post notification bell so that whenever I come out with videos like this, you get to receive notifications. And if there's something that you want me to talk about, don't be shy, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, or just go ahead and hit me up on my Facebook page. I'm going to get back to you and have a look and probably make a video about it. Otherwise, thank you so much for being there, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, cheers and God bless.